Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you how you are going to convert notes to Word files on iPhone Pages app. Word documents are usually easy to edit and updated many times. It is user friendly, provides formatting options, collaboration, sharing tools, citation, referencing features, templates, spell and grammar check, autosave and ease of access. Let's see how we can convert documents into Word file using iPhone Pages app. First, open the iPhone Pages app. As you can see in the screen, tap a document you want to convert. Suppose we are tapping this document to be converted. Then tap on the top right button. You'll find an export option. Tap on export. Tap Word, and you'll see that your document is converted to a Word file and you are instantly ready to share your document with Word format. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.